Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
As we head into the last day of spring, it sure does feel like spring out there. 40s and 50s for our morning lows. Helena, a weird warm spot in the state at 62 right now. The radar is clear, just some thunderstorms up to the north in Canada, but we do have a severe weather threat today as thunderstorm activity will return to the state this afternoon. So all the way from Butte to Glendive, a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for some stronger storms with mainly gusty wind. That's going to be the threat today. Thunderstorms will start to form in about the mid-afternoon hours, 3 to 4 o'clock, so a little bit later than normally than they would form, right at around noon to 1. This is 3 to 4. We'll start to get some thunderstorms. These will be high-based thunderstorms with some dry surface conditions, so that's why we could see the gustier wind with those heavier downbursts there. They'll move towards the north and east overnight. By about 10 o'clock, approaching the Glasgow, Glendive area. That rain won't go away, though. Those storms and showers will stay here overnight, and by this time tomorrow, we'll be tracking some thunderstorms into parts of north central Montana. A few of these could be severe as well as we head into the day. We'll have some redevelopment of some thunderstorms over the Butte and Helena areas. Those could be severe as well. We could also be looking at some flash flooding with some rounds of showers and storms making their way through, mainly along the High Line between Cut Bank and Havre. That's where we could be looking at isolated amounts of maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. Winter storm watch issued for Glacier National Park as temperatures will start to dip behind a cold front that moves in beginning tomorrow. We could see up to 12 inches of snow into the higher terrain. Glacier National Park has put out a statement about going to the Sun Road, likely will be closed this weekend. So very beneficial rain for a lot of the state and even some mountain snow down the Continental Divide. Here's Helena. The boulders, the Elkhorns, the Big Belts could receive a little bit of snow. Heading into Friday, we could also be dealing with some severe weather with those stronger storms. So here's the forecast for today. A lot of us still hanging on to the 80s with mostly dry conditions throughout a good majority of the day, but we will have those thunderstorms forming in the mid-afternoon hours. So here is the next 7 days for Helena. Our temperatures will be dropping throughout the weekend. First day of summer is tomorrow, but summer is going to have a late start. We'll be in the 50s and 60s for highs into the weekend.